You probably already know that Leganto can be configured to mark certain types of citations as complete automatically, meaning your library doesn't need to review them. Now you can set Leganto to automatically complete citations for electronic resources based on your license for the resource. In other words, you may have an ebook already in your collection, but if it's only a one-user license, your library may want to review it to see if you can upgrade your license or acquire more copies. On the other hand, if you already have an unlimited user license, you may not need to review that citation. Leganto uses the public access model from the electronic portfolio record to determine if a citation has a portfolio with unlimited access. The option to have these citations complete automatically is turned off by default. If you want to enable this new option, there are a few configurations that you should look at. First, in the Course Reserves Automatic Statuses table, under Leganto Configuration, List Management, Course Reserves Automatic Statuses, find the new parameter Unlimited Access Citation. If you want these citations to complete automatically, set the parameter to Complete. You may decide to use this feature in a different way. For example, you could have citations go into a custom status when they have a certain type of license. You can enter any of the out-of-the-box or custom citation statuses here. Next, look at the parameter Unlimited Access Model code in the same table. Leganto is configured to change the status of citations with these three public access models, which all map to the value, please note that the platform supports unlimited access. You can change any of these out-of-the-box codes or add more. You can review all of the public access models in Acquisition Configuration, Licenses, Access Model. Scroll down to see the public access models. You can use any of these codes in the previous table. Work with your acquisitions or e-resources colleagues if you're not sure how these public access models are used in your library. Let's look at this in action. As an instructor, I will add 2 ebooks to my reading list. You can see that the first one completed automatically, but the second one didn't. Let's look at this in Alma. This is the citation that completed automatically. I can navigate to the portfolio record, edit the portfolio, and see on the Acquisitions tab the access model. Please note that the platform supports unlimited access, code UA. Back on my list, we can do the same thing on the second citation. We can see that the public access model is please note that the platform supports only one concurrent user. This code, TX, was not one of the codes that we wanted to have complete automatically, so it has been sent to the library for review. This new option gives you much more flexibility to configure exactly the type of electronic resources that you need to review, helping you streamline your processing workflows.